Hi everyone. Today I got a little bit of time before I have to go to work, and I thought that it would be fun to try to dye some leather using just coffee and coffee grounds. So I got two here. This is like older used coffee grounds before I throw them in my garden. And then this is a little bit of coffee from this morning. So just gonna set them up like that, and then we got our control piece. That's what our natural veg tan leather looks like. And then our two test pieces. Again, this is coffee from this morning. This is coffee grounds in just some water. This is coffee from like yesterday, so you can see the color difference. It's a lot clearer, where that's just coffee and it's quite dark. Get in. Because right now, all it looks like is I've just wetted the leather. It doesn't look like I've actually done anything. So I think I'm just going to take it, just put it in there. Let's wring this out a little bit. And we're going to do the same with this one here. It is currently 7:36. Maybe we'll let them sit in there for 3 minutes. We'll just see what it does. Okay, that's our 3 minutes sitting in there. Alright, well, first impressions, yes. Again, this one here was out of today's coffee. This here is yesterday's coffee grounds. So, I mean, it is a little bit darker than this one. This one doesn't look like it really picked up much of any pigment from the coffee itself. It just kind of looks like you've just had this just sitting in water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly put these in front of my heater, try to get them to dry a little bit, and hopefully we can come back with a more definitive answer once these are dried out. Alright, well, I'm actually really surprised. I thought that this would have been a lot darker coming out of the coffee. I kind of figured that the coffee grounds would look more like this, but it really doesn't. They're pretty dry. They're not 100% dry, but I did get a lot of the moisture out of them. But yeah, I mean, I'm happy with this. I like the look of this. This is nice. I'm sure that I can find a dye that would get me very close to this. I don't know if I would waste my actual coffee to do this. Maybe every once in a while I would, depending on what it is. There is no point in using like used coffee grounds to dye your leather, because that there just looks like it's wet. Again, these all came from the same piece. I just cut them so that I had 3 separate pieces. This is just your natural veg tan, new coffee, used coffee grounds. If you guys enjoyed this, please do like and subscribe. If you like this kind of stuff, let me know in the comments. And if you like this and you have an idea that you think would be cool and you want me to try, please do put it down in the comments, and I'll see what I can do about getting it done. All right, thank you. Y'all have a nice day.